Must stay awake. Oh, hey everybody, sorry. Still a little jet lag, man. Just got back from Korea and I'm fighting. I'm trying to stay awake till 8 p.m. 3 more hours to go, man. If I can just stay awake till 8, I'm gonna sleep so good. Anyway, man, I'm basically coming to you guys because I wanted to tell you that I'm so happy with Bluffworks. This is not part of the deal, by the way. I'm just doing this because this is the first time I got the chance to actually wear their clothes, and I wanted to test them out, and I gave them the ultimate test, man. 20 days. How many cities? 20 days. I was in 12 cities. Listen to this agenda. I left on March 21st. I went from New York City to Charlotte to Nashville to LA to Sacramento in the same day, then to San Francisco, flew back to LA. From LA, overnight, took an international flight to Seoul. From Seoul, a little flight to Jeju Island, stayed in Jeju and filmed, and then went to Busan, filmed for 3 days, then back to Seoul for 2 days, and then finally back to New York City just yesterday. So that was 20 days, 12 cities, and I took everything in here. I only did laundry once, and that was early on in the trip when I was at home visiting my mom. And basically everything fit in here. The reason I wanted to do that is because I was catching so many flights. I wanted to make sure I had carry-on, both for the luggage fees, but more importantly, just for convenience. And ironically enough, the only airline that made me check it was American Airlines, which was stupid because the bag fits. It fits. I was one of those guys. I'm like, it fits. And anyway, I didn't want to get into an argument with them, but I'll talk about that later. I'm talking about Bluffworks right now. So anyway, these clothes, which are presented as travel-friendly clothes because they don't wrinkle, I wanted to see how they would do. I'm like, there's no way this many cities, this many days. Check it out, man. I could go to a meeting right now. Just pulled them out, and I hung them up, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. They don't smell that I can tell, but I'm gonna wash them anyway. But check out this shirt, man. Now this shirt got used. I did wear it a few times. I did wash it at my mom's house like day number 3 or something. But other than that, and I let it hang dry. So other than that, I mean, just check it out, man. So Bluffworks, you passed the test. I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled. Like I said, this isn't part of the deal that I told him I was going to do anything like this. I did this out of my own because I like this. I'm just so happy, man, that this happened and that I can now travel in carry-ons, business, pleasure, filming, which is what this trip was. It was 3 things at once. Probably one of the most challenging packing adventures I've ever had. You know, when it comes to packing, pack light, man, but you know, don't get frustrated. I'm still learning. All the travels that I've been on, even though I got everything in there, I ended up wearing clothes like this a lot, but then there were some clothes that I took because of the weather, and I was trying to plan for different scenarios. It was chillier than I thought, and I didn't wear them at all, so it was really odd. But you know, the thing is, like when you're gone for 3 or 4 weeks and you're going to multiple cities like I was, doing multiple purposes like I was, you have to try to keep it simple. And that's what I like about Bluffworks. The fact that it doesn't wrinkle, I mean, it's amazing. I mean, it's like, wow, check it out. So anyway, Bluffworks, thank you so much. This looks great. Can't wait to get some more. How do I look? I know, I'm jet lagged, man. I'm tired. But 3 more hours. Gotta stay awake.